Now, the next point is radius of gyration. The radius of gyration म्हणजे काय? Now, we know that the moment of inertia and its theoretical calculation is only possible for mathematical integrable geometrical shape. आपल्याला moment of inertia माहिती आहे आणि it is only possible for mathematically integrable geometrical shape. However, the experimentally determine the moment of inertia of any object. Now, the moment of inertia depends upon its mass and the distribution of mass about the axis of rotation. Moment of inertia कशावर डिपेंड असतो? त्याचं mass आणि distribution of mass around the axis of rotation. If we interested in knowing the distribution of mass about the axis of rotation, the moment of inertia of any object is I is equal to mk square. Here m is the mass. It means the mass of object is effectively at a distance k from the given axis of rotation. याचा अर्थ असा काय झाला की the mass of object is effectively at a distance k. Mass कुठे effectively आहे? त्या distance k ला. मग ते distance k कुठून आहे? तर axis of rotation पासून. In this case, the k is called as a radius of gyration. म्हणून या केस मध्ये आपण k ला काय म्हणणार? Radius of gyration of the object about the given axis of rotation. From the above discussion, the radius of gyration is defined as the radius of gyration of body about the axis of rotation is defined as the distance between axis of rotation and the point at which whole mass of a body is supposed to be concentrated so as to possess the same moment of inertia of that body. So as to possess the same moment of inertia of body. For example, we consider a uniform ring or disc of the same mass m and the radius r. Then let IR and ID be the respective moment of inertia. IR आणि ID काय आहेत? Respective moment of inertia आहेत. म्हणजे IR रिंगचा moment of inertia आहे, ID डिस्कचा moment of inertia आहे. Now, here the KR and KD are the respective radius of gyration. KR and KD काय आहे? It's a respective radius of gyration. Therefore, now we first see the moment of inertia of the ring IR is equal to mr square. Now, in place of r we take the k. Therefore, the IR is equal to mr square is equal to mkr square. Now, ID is equal to half mr square. Half mr square. Therefore, it is equal to half half mr square. It is equal to mkd square. Therefore, half mr square is equal to mkd square. Therefore, the half r square, here here mm get cancelled. Then after cancellation of mm, then half r square is equal to kd square. Therefore, kd square is equal to half r square and kd is equal to 1 upon under root 2 r. This is the moment of this is the radius of gyration of the disc 1 upon under root 2 r. From the above equations of radius of gyration of ring and the radius of gyration of disc, we see that the radius of gyration of disc is less than radius of gyration of ring. Why? It's decided by the distribution of mass. It shows that the k is decided by the distribution of mass. Thank you.